So today we'll start with the second chapter, Daydreams, for class 5th. So I'll read the story first and then I'll tell you all in short, okay? So, daydreams. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. One day, the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I'm going to buy a few cows. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bathe them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife. But think of all the milk we'll get if we buy more, said the husband. That's true, the wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Wouldn't it be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. I'll use one of the pots for milk, one for dahi, one for butter. The ghee I'll put in another jar. And I'll use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. Send milk to your sister? Who said you send milk to your sister? You could send milk to your sister. There will be plenty of milk if we have so many cows. Why should I send it to my sister? Because we are going to sell it in the market. That's why I will decide what to do with all the milk. And not a drop of it goes to your sister, remember? I'll see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. Is that so? Shouted the husband. Watch this then. He began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. His wife began to scream. Gopal Bhand, who was passing by, heard all the commotion and rushed inside. Why he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics. What are you doing? They inquired. Move aside, said Gopal Bhand. I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander, and now they have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers, said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhand stopped wielding the stick and looked at him with raised eyebrows. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. Can you tell what he wanted to say? Basically, the story is there is two husband and wife. Okay, they want to buy few cows. They want to keep few cows, but then this his wife said that there will be a lot of work. You have to clean the cows. You know what is you have to bathe them, you have to wash them, you can't keep it dirty, right? You have to clean the cows, you have to feed the cows, you have to buy food for the cows, you have to look after them. Matlab, a good thing also invites problems, right? Okay, so if you're buying a new house, you have to also take care of everything else, like the furniture, then the sofa. The same thing you have to is there with the cows. Okay, then the farmer said, but what the cow will give them more milk, and we'll buy things. If the milk we'll get they'll get more milk. Okay, then the wife said yes. There'll be so much milk that we can have plenty of dahi, butter and ghee. There'll be so much milk that they can have ghee, butter, paneer and everything will be lovely. And I have kept earthen pots aside. So they said that they have kept an earthen pot aside, so they'll store everything in that pot. One for dahi, one for milk, like उस सब बर्तन को निकालेंगे use करने के लिए. And I'll use the remaining pot to send milk to my sister. So the husband said, who said that you'll send that milk to your sister? बोलते ना फ्री में हम किसी को कुछ नहीं देंगे, बट अभी ये मेरी बहन है तो उसको तो दे ही देंगे. So they said, तो बोलता है मेहनत मैं करूँ और तू फ्री में उसको दे के आएगी, ये गलत बात है. मैं भी देखती हूँ तो कैसे उसे फ्री में दे के आता है ये पॉट. तो फिर ऐसे बोला देखती हूँ मैं भी, वो भी सर के ऊपर चढ़ गई, मैं भी देखती हूँ कि आप कैसे मुझे रोकते हो ये मिल्क मेरी बहन को देने से. हाउ कैन यू स्टॉप मी फ्रॉम सेंडिंग द मिल्क टू माई हस्बैंड, टू माई सिस्टर. सो दे सेड, ऐसा है क्या. हस्बैंड ने बोला तो अभी तो रुक, मैं तेरे सारे पॉट्स को तोड़ दूंगा, मैं तेरे सारे मम्मी पापा का झगड़ा हो जाता है वैसे. I'll just smash all the earthen pots one by one. And then वो सुन के his wife started to scream, how can you spoil all the pots, huh? So there was a person who was passing by and he saw all that mess. Okay. When he heard that what happened, he picked up a stout stick to a corner and began to swish through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics. So when he saw that they are talking and they are fighting, so he took a stick and he stood in a corner and began to swish your, anybody knows what's the meaning of swish? Okay, so you have to, I'll tell you after the chapter. Okay, that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded is surprised that why he is doing like this, why he is using a stick and swish is kind of like waving, I guess, waving it through the air. Then he said, move aside, हटो यहाँ से हटो, मैं I have to drive away your greedy cows, मुझे तुम्हारे greedy cows को भगाना होगा. You have to let them wander and now you have to ruin my field of beans and cucumbers. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हुआ पता है, इन लोग ने काऊ अभी तक लाया नहीं है, ये सब एक सपना देख रहे हैं. उसी तरह है ना, ये गोपाल करके जो इंसान था ये उनके सपने में आया और उसने ये जो किया है ना, ये वेव कर रहा है, ही इज़ वेविंग हिज स्टिक, एक्चुअली ही इज़ मूविंग हिज stick to push the cow aside because they are spoiling his farm, right? Cucumbers and beans. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers, said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal stopped wielding the stick and looked at him with raised eyebrows. Okay, so he looked at his raised eyebrows. Can you tell what he wanted to say? He wanted to say that I don't have a field of beans and cucumbers and you also don't have a cow. You all are just dreaming. Okay. So that's it for today. We'll discuss the question answers tomorrow. So the basic story is the wife and husband are dreaming of the cows, to have more cows. Then if more cows, then they'll have more problems. More problems, but the cows will give them milk. So they'll store all the milk, dahi and butter and everything in the pots, earthen pots. And then they thought that they'll become rich because everybody's dream is to become rich, right? So after that, what is going to happen? The Gopal is another outsider who comes in, and then he says, "Why you all are fighting?" He sees them fighting. No, that they start fighting. That's why he is doing like this. He waves his stick, and then he says that you all are spoiling my field. Okay. And then he says, how can we spoil your field, your cows spoil your field because you don't have a field.
Earphone then.